In this video, I'll be sharing with you my planner for 2020. Stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my planner setup for 2020 and a quick DIY. But before I get started, if this is your first time to the channel, I want to welcome you. My name is Karen, and over here, this is a lifestyle channel, and we enjoy cooking, cleaning, home decor, shopping hauls, occasionally a DIY. So if you enjoy that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel and tap that notification bell so that you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And if you're a returning friend to the channel, welcome back. All right, guys, here is my planner for 2020. And I got this planner at Walmart, and it's the Dabney Lee weekly monthly planner for Blue Sky. So it's a Blue Sky planner, and it's called Dabney Lee. But I like this type of planner because it's flexible and it fits right down into my tote bag. And so that's why I like this, and I like the size of it too. All right, so it's like a teal green color and pink. And it was $9.99 at Walmart. The only thing, guys, that it's missing is a pocket in the front of the planner. I usually like to have a pocket there so that I can put receipts or notes or something like that. So that's where the DIY is going to come in. I'm going to put a pocket there so that I'll have it. But this is a nice planner. Other than it missing that pocket, I do like the planner a lot. So this is what I'm going to be using for 2020. And this, guys, is the envelope that I'm going to use as a pocket for the front of the planner. I'm going to trim off this flap here and then hot glue the envelope to the inside of the planner so that I'll have my pocket. So there's a pocket back here and there's a pocket in the front. So I'm probably going to hot glue the back part to the planner and then have this pocket available for me to put like receipts and things like that in. So I've got my hot glue ready to go. So hold on and stay tuned, and I'll show you how I'm going to attach this envelope to the planner. All right, guys, I've got my planner set up and ready to go. I've got my envelope glued in on the inside, and it's staying there pretty good. I did have to add some extra glue, but it's holding up pretty well. Like I said, guys, this is a weekly, monthly planner. It's a planner that I picked up at Walmart, and it's a Dabney Lee planner for Blue Sky. So it's a Blue Sky planner, but anyway, I picked this up at Walmart for about $9.99, and it's a really nice planner. It's all that I need. It's useful for what I need it to do. I did have some washi tape here, and I've just decorated the month of January with my washi tape. I've got some pink washi tape with the gold polka dots, and then I have this green washi tape that says Beautiful Life on it, and it's got a picture of a bicycle. Let's see, there it is right there. So I just took the washi tape and decorated the top and bottom of the planner. The top of the planner, I used that green Beautiful Life washi tape on both sides. And then at the bottom, I put the pink washi tape with the gold polka dots. And then I put a few stickers. This little heart sticker came with that washi tape that I have. And then I put this beautiful life sticker. And then I've got my little clip here that says faith with the heart. So I like to keep those in there if I need to, you know, clip something inside or separate the pages or something like that. But this is a nice planner, you guys. Again, I got it at Walmart. This is the monthly view of the planner. And then if you flip it over, then you can go to the daily view and you have more lines to write more notes. So I like the fact that you can have the daily view and then the monthly view as well. So pretty nice planner for $9.99, not too bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. Remember to subscribe to the channel and tap your notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching and stopping by the channel today. Remember to always live your life to the fullest every day. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.